Hi, I'm Jo Baker and I'm one of the tutors at the Human Givens College. In this course, we'll be exploring ways of working really effectively with depression. Now, depression is one of the most common presentations in the therapy room and also in the GP surgery. And while its causes have been long debated, the idea that depression is caused by a chemical imbalance in the brain became, for a while anyway, the dominant narrative. And despite its popularity, studies have failed to find any empirical support, and this hypothesis has more recently been disproven. The economic cost of mental health difficulties like depression is thought to be about £118 billion each year in the UK, but that figure is likely to be a significant underestimate. And of course, the true costs can be so much higher, as depression is also a major risk factor for suicide. So this course provides not only the opportunity for you to deepen your understanding of the actual causes of depression, the indications and the impact of it, but also a chance to understand why the Human Givens evidence-based approach to treating it works so well. On the day, you can expect to engage in discussion and take a look at case studies, as well as get to practice some of the techniques in a supportive and encouraging environment. You'll also get to see a film of the renowned psychologist and one of the founders of the Human Givens approach, Jo Griffin, working with a client with depression, and you'll get to see just how effective, and in some cases like this one, just how quick working in this way can be. So whatever your reason for attending, you'll come away equipped with understandings and strategies that you can implement immediately, either in your own life or in your work with others. Hope to see you there.